Hi everyone, welcome back to LUCID tutorials and I hope you are doing well. Have you ever needed to connect a new device to your Wi-Fi network, share your Wi-Fi password, or need to enter your password when using Mac OS recovery mode or running Apple diagnostics but couldn't remember it? This can be a frustrating experience, especially if you are new to macOS. However, in this tutorial, I will show you how to view your Wi-Fi password on Mac OS Ventura in just a few easy steps. To view your saved Wi-Fi password, click the Apple menu and select System Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, click the Wi-Fi icon in the left sidebar and look for your Wi-Fi name on the right. The one with a check mark is your active Wi-Fi. This part of the screen is hidden due to security reasons. Click the More button and select Copy Password. Next, launch TextEdit or another word processor. Paste your Wi-Fi password by pressing Command plus V on your keyboard and save it. If you want to view the password for a previously joined network, scroll down until you see the Advanced button and click it. You will see a window with the list of previously joined networks and your current ones. Click the More icon on the right and as before, copy the password to the clipboard. Paste it into your TextEdit, Pages, or Notes application and keep it safe for future reference. If you want to remove a network from the list, first select it, then click the More button on the right and select Remove from List and click Done. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you learned something new from it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to receive notifications of upcoming tutorials. Your support will encourage me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching.